Fatal stab by her lawyer. Meghan's lawyer waved Duchess away and knifed her in court for too vile. Michael Kump, Meghan's attorney, has submitted a court filing, referring to her simply as Meghan Markle, as opposed to Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, the name she normally uses. Meghan Markle's lawyer used her pre-royal name in court filings in the libel case being brought by her sister, court documents reveal. In the papers she is referred to as Meghan Markle as opposed to Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex. The US native and former actress has called herself the Duchess since marrying Prince Harry in 2018, and her Archie website also refers to her that man. Her half-sister Samantha Markle is suing her for defamation in part over the Oprah Winfrey interview, but also based on private emails Meghan sent her former Kensington Palace Communications Secretary Jason Knauf. And Michael Kump, Markle's attorney, has submitted a court filing, referring to her simply as Meghan Markle, according to the documents seen by Newsweek. The attorney has previously referred to her as Duchess Meghan when he filed a lawsuit against paparazzi who had been using drones to photograph baby Archie. Newsweek reported that the name change may relate to the fact Samantha Markle named her sister as Meghan Markle in her own complaint. Kump's recent court filing read, "I, or the entity I represent, agree to save the expense of serving a summons and complaint in this case. I understand that I, or the entity I represent, will keep all defenses or objections to the lawsuit, the court's jurisdiction, and the venue of the action, but that I waive any objections to the absence of a summons or of service." The form contains a box asking for the printed name of party waiving service of summons, which is filled in as defendant Meghan Markle. Meghan's team initially appeared dismissive of the case, suggesting they may seek to get it thrown out. Kump issued a March 3 statement, seen by Newsweek, which read, "This baseless and absurd lawsuit is just a continuation of a pattern of disturbing behavior. We will give it the minimum attention necessary, which is all it deserves." Samantha Markle, 57, claims Meghan launched a premeditated campaign to destroy her and her father Thomas Markle's reputation. Meghan is accused of trying to ruin their credibility so that they could not interfere with or contradict the false narrative and fairy tale life story concocted by the defendant, according to a $75,000, £56,700, lawsuit filed at a U.S. court. Meghan Markle, 40, has unveiled her first Spotify series that will investigate labels that try to hold women back. Archetypes will launch this summer, hosted by the Duchess of Sussex, who will speak to historians, experts and women who have experienced being typecast. Virgin Radio presenter Steve Denyer has since claimed Meghan is getting $18 million for the first episode. Speaking, Mr. Denyer said, "It's supposed to be about women and about tackling stereotypes." Presenter Jeremy Kyle added, "I will never move from this opinion no matter how much trouble it gets me in. If you don't want to be part of the royal family, you're absolutely 1,000,000% right. If you can't bear press intrusion, and I understand what it did to his mother, absolutely right. If you want to bring your kids up out of the glare of publicity and move to America, all right." The Shameless Value took $120 million from Spotify to do useless podcasts that Meghan Markle is about to do and expect people to respect you. Mr. Denyer noted, £18 million alone for the first episode. In a trailer for the Archie audio project released on Thursday, male voices are heard saying derogatory remarks about women, including "she's a slut" and "a little emotionally unstable." Meghan follows the excerpts, saying, "This is how we talk about women, the words that raise our girls, and how the media reflects women back to us. But where do these stereotypes come from? And how do they keep showing up and defining our lives?" A male voice is heard saying "weaker, smaller, they are less intelligent," with a female voice saying, "People think I should be quiet and submissive."